Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Avalon Organics Intense Defense Cleansing Gel 8.5 ounces. It's sad to see that Avalon upped the price and lowered the container size considerably in both directions, but this is a good product. Doesn't irritate my contact lens wearing, seems to keep lines at bay, rich and creamy but not greasy at all, absorbs quickly. This product isn't going to remove your makeup and sunscreen, but it also isn't going to remove oils from your skin. This soap cleans my makeup very well. It leaves my skin hydrated and soft, and it does not irritate or feel painful on my psoriasis. This goes on smoothly, doesn't feel too thick or oily, and really works. My skin is baby soft, and in this colder weather, no more flaky skin. A great all-around moisturizer for all seasons. It is very effective, absorbs quickly, doesn't make me break out, and has a wonderful but light orange scent which dissipates quickly. The dispenser could do a little better job, and the stuff needs to be rubbed in thoroughly or it makes the skin look deathly white, but a non-toxic sunscreen cool. My acne is healing in this, along with a couple other products, and stopping exfoliating for the time being are the reason why. It can sting if you've been exposed to sun that day, or if you're retreating your skin too harshly, like exfoliating too much. Always looking to include organic products in my skincare, as well as things that are oil-free, since things with oils tend to clog my pores. Half a pump works perfectly for a fresh face, and one whole pump on a loofah is enough for my whole body. It does not feel oily like some moisturizers, and it smells great. It is much cheaper on here than in holistic stores. My skin was not tight and dry as it feels with some cleansers that have stripped away everything, including your top layer of skin. Cleans well, good creamy touch, not too watery or too cream-like, and the best scent of any face cream ever. Great smell, no skin tightness, and washes away without residue. Out of town friends love it so much they always end up taking a bottle home with them. Smells like a fresh orange. It does wonders for under and around my eyes, as well as wrinkles around my lips. This product has no parabens and no sodium lauryl sulfates, and it is compliant with the EU Cosmetics Directive, much more stringent than our own FDA regulations for chemicals in beauty products. It is not in face a completely organic product, though. At the top of the ingredient list are organic lavender, chamomile, and white tea. Inexpensive face wash that leaves your skin feeling clean and amazing. Definitely would recommend it. Love it. My third time buying it. The orange smell is one of my favorite part. It smells like sunny days and reminds me of the zingy taste of lemon and oranges. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.